And someone on my channel had commented that I should look into it. And so I did, and I'm so excited because I'm here to do the unboxing, and it's pretty amazing. So it's going to be from October 1st, and we're going to do, I think it's 9 classes over 3 days, or over a week. I'm sorry, over a couple weeks. I guess I can't count. But it's pretty amazing. So the box is unbelievable. It's probably one of the best ones I've ever done. So it's, of course, scrapbook and cards today. So I open it up. I've got a stack of envelopes that came in the kit. There's just so much stuff to unpack. So this is, I guess, a gift. It says Crop and Create Delivered. And so I have one of these on my desk, and I put my blender brushes in it. So I really like that, and that was a gift. And then we have this box of goodness, or bag of goodness. So in here is I think, along with, gifts, we've also got things that go with the classes. So let's see here. There's a bag. There are blending brushes in here, which is exciting. So we've got like 3 different blending brushes. These are Gina K blending brushes. We also have some ink pads from Concord and Ninth, which I have some of these ink pads already because I've done quite a few classes with them before. This is a Ranger embossing ink pad. And then there's some gems in here, some like sequins, actually. The magic mat, which I love, by the way, if you guys don't have a magic mat. So we also got a Gina K tidy towel and the magic mat, what you do with the magic mat, if you don't have one, you can buy it at scrapbook.com. Oh, also there's the pops of color and white embossing powder, which is super fine detail. If you don't have a magic mat, what you do is you exchange the magic mat for one of your cutting plates. I use it for the bottom cutting plate, and it's pretty amazing. Like it helps not warp your pads. So, all right, let's take everything out. So much stuff. So I can start at the bottom because I don't want to, displace everything. So we have stack of paper. A ton of cardstock came in this kit, along with this image. There's some pattern paper, some other different types of cardstock in here. So that's not that exciting. I mean, I want to say it's not exciting because it is exciting, but I just wanted to kind of keep things in somewhat order. I don't think it matters necessarily. So we are doing a tailored expressions class. So we got a triple layering stencil, along with, I believe these are the pieces that fit in the stencil, and then we've got the dies, and then we've got an accompanying sentiment. And then we do our Gina K for our Gina K class. And so this one is like a holidays one, so I'm loving that holiday one. And then we are doing a Lawn Fawn class, which I'm super excited because these are like new Lawn Fawn products that I don't have, and I don't know if these are going to be like upcoming releases or what, but if you're a Lawn Fawn fan like me, so we have this one, which is like a sunflower along with sort of these mats, and then we've got this squirrel that goes with it with the die, and and some pattern paper, so that's adorable. And then we are doing a Mama Elephant class, and this one uses this stamp set, which is like a Get Well. It's called Feel Better. So adorable. So that was in this one. So this is like 3 of the classes that we're going to be doing, I think. So that's pretty cool. So now let's move into, I'm going to move some of this stuff out of my way. So some of the stuff I don't know, like if we're using it or not using it, if it's a gift. This must all be for the Spellbinders class. So we got this giant stencil. It's pretty humongous. And then we've got all the pieces to make the cards. They're all in this baggie right here. And then the rest of the kit is here. And so we get this die, which is a holiday flower and greenery die. It's kind of mini. And then this one, which is some sentiments. And we've got these sentiments. So we got a die sentiments, and then we have stamps. And then we've got this one, ornaments. And then this one right here, which I believe does, yeah, dancing elf. So it does an elf. Elf. So that is for the class that we're doing on Spellbinders. Okay, so let's see what else is in here. So much stuff. Okay, so we have, this is Hero Arts. This is for the Hero Arts class. So it's a birthday stamp set, and it includes the dies, and it also includes a stencil, and we also got some enamel dots. So, and then this is the Concord and Ninth. So with the Concord and Ninth, we've got a die. It's called Oh Hey. So it makes, oh hey, and you've got the stencils. So you've got the stencils, do the oh hey in whatever colors you want. And then the die, you can cut it out. And then we've got a stamp set that accompanies that, sentiments, and then some enamel dots. And then we also got in this little baggie some foam dot squares. And then there is this pink and Maine, I think it is, or I don't know, maybe it doesn't really say, but it's pink, so it makes me think it's pink and Maine, but it could be somewhere else. Water pen. And in here is the pink and Maine glass. Pink and Maine, I didn't even open this up yet. So I just peeked in it just to see what's in it. So I'm really going over it with you guys because I really didn't see the whole shebang. So in this one, Pink and Maine gave us this die. This is what we're going to use for our class, along with this super cool stencil. I really like that stencil because it really makes cool use of everything. And an awesome stamp set. Look how big this is. This is a really large stamp set, and we also got the dies with it, along with some of that double-sided paper. So basically you put one side with your cardstock, the other, then you run like a die through it. Or it's really good for like intricate dies, and then you could peel the other side to put on your project. So there's that one. And this water pen thing. Okay, so in here, there's a lot of stuff in here. Let's, okay. So, am I doing a Simon Curly project? No, I don't remember seeing. This might have been Shop and Create Kit 2022. Let's see here. What kind of stamp is it? It's a butterfly and a birthday cake. Pink and Maine. Pink and Maine. Hero Arts. Hero Arts. Yeah, I don't know this. And maybe this is some sort of bonus project, or maybe it's just a gift. I have no idea. But we got this stamp set, which is like a birthday one, with the foam and a little stencil and the lunar paste, all from Simon Curly. This is a I think this might be a gift because I don't think this is part of any of the classes that we're doing, and so I think this is from Scrapbook and Cards. So and maybe we are, maybe some of these are for some other, maybe there's a make and take or something, I don't know. So we get this stencil, and then oh cool, stamp and die. I'm actually liking that a lot. And then this one is, yeah, so there might be stuff in here that's not in my book. I don't know. It's interesting. This is my first one, so I don't really know what's happening. I don't know what is bonus stuff and what is actual stuff. I don't know. Yeah, so I think a lot of this might be the goodie bag is what I'm thinking now. That's an amazing goodie bag if it is. So there's an L Studio stamp and die. It's like a daisy. And there's a honeybee stamps, which comes with like an embossing folder is what it looks like, I'm thinking. And then the matching stamp set. And then, yeah, I think this might be a goodie bag. Then this is Sending Good Vibes from Close to My Heart stamp set. And then from Your Next Stamp, You Lift Me Up stamp, really cute, I like that, with a die and gumdrops, so that's amazing. I really like that. We got some Close to My Heart sequins, loose sequins, and some twine. Scrapbook.com Hello Bloom shape dies, so you get a thanks, hello, I have no idea what that one says, a hi, maybe that one also says hello, I don't know. And these little blooms, and then it goes with this stamp set. So that's cute. And then from Crafter's Companion, we got this stamp set. So I got that stamp set. And these dies, which are Stampin' Dies. So they're Stampin' Dies, and let's see, they have numbers and the dies plus some elements for birthday. And then this right here is pretty cool. So this is an occasional tags die. So it comes with sort of a pocket, tags, and then elements for all the holidays is what it looks like to me. And then also in here, there is some sample pieces of various things. So this looks like this kind of is a birthday tags stamp. And so they sell all these different ones that go with tags. So they have a Halloween one, and so I guess these go with our tags set, and there's different ones you can get. Halloween, this one's birthday, but they have like fall and spring and winter and, you know, stuff. So yeah, I think this, I'm pretty sure this is the goodie bag because I don't think we're making anything with these ones. And then lastly, we got these tri-color floral meadow pens, aqua pens. So I guess you can watercolor with these. And it says 3-in-1 for an instant color scheme. I have no idea how these work, but you get 9 of them. So you get all these like floral type colors. So that's pretty cool. So that is my kit from Crop and Create. And so this thing isn't for a little while, but I will definitely come back and show you the projects I made and all that good stuff. So thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy Crane with Heart.